So next topic I will discuss about list of dictionary. Okay, list inside dictionary. So now before going to this, understand we studied list its index by index, data 1, data 2, data 3. Like this we can create index by index order. So how to fetch nth data, list name followed by index number, square bracket inside index, that is integer. Now we'll get the data, it's a mutable. Now what we studied in the single dimension about dictionary key pointing to the value, key value pair format. So here the data are key value structure. It's a key, it's called string. How to fetch it? Dictionary name followed by input is key, the square bracket inside. So we'll get value, corresponding key value. Now we'll combine. See the name list is named structure. L is list. Inside the data are dictionary. If you put K1 as a key, value 1 its value, K2 it's a key, like this value 2. Now see the structure code. List inside the dictionary. Named structure is list. This is named data or named variable. Variable is list. List inside all the data we studied in the single dimensional, it's called, we will access as index by index format. Either dictionary or tuple or list, we will access index by index. List inside the data, it's a dictionary format. Dictionary always will be key value pair format. So in the above one, dictionaries are innermost data, that is anonymous data or unnamed data. List is named data. If you check with the type L, it's called a list. List of 0th index data, it's called as a dictionary. So list means index based, we can get indexing. And see this list of nth index is a dictionary. Dictionary means how to get list of all the keys. Recap dictionary topic, we can use keys function. If we put keys, we'll get all the keys, K1, K2. So this all the data placed in that 0th index. Now see the size of the L, size of the L will be 1. So list size is single data. List size is single. Data inside the list, inside all the data are dictionary. So how to fetch it? 0th index, the corresponding key will get value. 0th index corresponding key will get value. And both mutable. If you want to update the key value instead of value, if you want to change any new data, it will change the new data. If you want to add data, say the term, I want to add data. If you want to add, and the nth index is dictionary, 0th index, dictionary, see the type. If you don't know the structure, you can put type. 0th index, it's a dictionary. How to add data to dictionary? Recap dictionary topic. How to add data to dictionary? If this is empty dictionary, how to add? One is we can put key followed by value, new key value, or d dot set default. Default we can put key followed by value, like this. So the two way we can add. The same logic we can apply. List of 0th index, that is dictionary, you can put set default followed by name, key name for K3 followed by value 3. We can add the data. See this L is not dictionary, L is list. List of 0th index, that's why the name it's called unnamed structure. Innermost data are unnamed, not named by the same variable. So when you put list and see the innermost data, K3 will get added. Still the size of the L will be 1. So we can add new data. If you want to add a new dictionary, this is list of dictionary. If you want to add a new dictionary, you can see type L. How to add new data to the list? List.append. List.append. Here you can put dictionary format. So K1 followed by value 1. Value 1, like this. If you want to take K2 followed by value 2, so you can put not comma, colon, value. K2 followed by colon followed by value, like this. So we can add data to the list. Now the structure will become to be list of dictionary format. Now you can check length of L, it will be 2. Both 0th index, first index will be dictionary format structure. So the previous topic we studied, we can add data inside the list. We can add data inside the list as a list format, tuple, and now it's a dictionary. So we can combine all the data if we create one empty list. This is empty list. If you want to create more than one data structure code, list we can take. List it's empty, list dot append. We can add single data, data1. Then it will become to be single indexing. If you want to add more than one data, we can put list followed by, again I'll put empty list, list dot append followed by, we can take data1, data2, data3. Like this we can put list dot append, we can add some data4, or we can say data4, data5, data6. Like this we can put tuple, list of tuple. Like same way we can put list inside, I'll put append something, we can take resource as a key followed by some, you can put some URL is value, port is a key, you can put some number is value. Like this you can put name as a key, you can put root is value. Like this we can add new data. Now you can see the structure of L, all the combination structure, list inside the list, list inside the tuple, list inside this. If structure is not clear, if it is not understandable format, in Python there is a module is called pprint, prettyprint dot prettyprint, and argument we can put L. It will print the structure format or more readable format. It's a dumper view. Okay. If the module or data structure is complex, if it is not understandable format, we can use this module. Import pprint. P stands for prettyprint. Same module name and method name same. Input is your data structure or your variable. So it will print the structure format. From this preview, we can understand the structure. So outer square bracket, so list. Name is list name. Innermost list of list. Then first index list of tuple. Last index list of dictionary. So here list and dictionary we can modify. We can change. But tuple data we can't modify it, only we can fetch the data. So this all the discussion we used to list is the outer structure, and the list is outer structure, named structure. In innermost structures or another structure, unnamed structure. List we can hold another list, list can hold a tuple, list can hold the dictionary. Now from this structure, if you want to change some particular attributes inside the list, we can take outer list followed by innermost list. This is a data 2. If you want to change some data, we can change. Like this, last index is key, dictionary. Dictionaries are key value pair format. So if you put port as a key, I want to change some another number as a value, we can change it. Now we can repeat the same prettyprint module. See the data structure. Data in innermost data. See this modification. Both mutable structures, so we can modify it. So square bracket inside string it comes, that is list of dictionary. Square bracket inside. You can check with the type function what type of data. So string, if a square bracket inside string type means that is called as a dictionary type data. So these are the combination structure. List inside the list, list inside the tuple, list inside the dictionary. We can combine the multiple type structure. So always we should access from outer to innermost structure. This is a design structure, and we can build our own design. What combination if you want, right? List inside if you want to add dictionary, dictionary if you want to add list view. So we can combine and list and dictionary combination more. Okay. So this way we can handle multi-dimensional structure of using list. The next class I'll show you how to use tuple with the combination of structure. Then we'll move to dictionary with combination of structures. Okay. Thank you.